what we have right now in front of us are empty chairs. Uh, Itong ginawa ng mga opisyalis from the executive branch of government is a total snub to as far as we're concerned. And ito'y tahasang pagbaliwala sa doktrina ng checks and balances ng ating gobyerno. Kung ayaw na mag-attend ng hearing, ibig sabihin, ayaw na nilang magpapacheck sa atin na co-equal branch of government. So what will happen to this? Pag tuluyang ganito ang mangyayari is, I think we are now on the verge of a constitutional crisis kapag tuluyan nilang isnab yung ating imbitasyon. Wala na mangyari. Wala na respetuhan ito sa isang kapwa co-equal branch of government. So, Madam Chair, I would like to move that we issue subpoena to these government officials to require their presence in the next hearing. Kung meron ka pang gaganaping hearing, dapat masabpina ito sila para magkaalaman. Klaruhin natin ito.